Blessings my viewers, blessing my subscribers. I don't know what's a new link there from New Link Production. And my people right about now, people, but now none good news to tell no people. Because I saw a terrible thing reach New Link right now, people. Because we don't know what really going on in Jamaica right now. Zine, I don't know what's really going on in Jamaica with these men now, or these Jamaican men, where them intend to use violence. You understand? Just, yo, people, alright. Let me go into this quick and fast. Well, it is said that, right, in a Walton Park here now, a policeman right now, people, is dead and his wife is also dead. Guess what happened now? So it is said that the policeman and his wife in some altercation, I don't get the full details, what argument them have, what happened if the woman left him, if the woman give him bun or nothing like that. I don't get that information as yet, but soon as I do get it, I will tell you. And the policeman pull him gun, people, and fire one shot hitting the woman in the head, then take the gun, turn it on himself and kill himself right now Walton Park here. Them live, people. Zine? And that are the news that reach New Link now. So right now people may tell us it thing terribly, and yo, them news are really shocking. Zine, we see how much of these things been happening where the old boy a kill young girl or you wanna kill himself, and now we see this happening in Jamaica. It is really terrible, my people. It is really bad and it's sickening. You get me? I say every day we are pray for your better. Every day we are pray for your change, and that these things just keep on happening. Now look there, Zine. Husband and wife, and check it out, them says a police officer. Zine, but people, Jano, that's not the answer. Why people taking them life like that? Zine, I'm tired to talk this over and over. Check it out, like yo man, come on. Why killing a woman? Zine, killing a, what is life to these people? Eh? To me, life is so much fun. Life is enjoyable. There's so much to life. You get me? I say, and yo, the man them look on. You remember the time when the boy up there kill the little old woman and kill himself same way, Zine, and that was a police also. Now you hear say now right in a Walton Park now the police boy kill the woman and kill himself. Eh? Jesus, yo people, I can't believe. Bridgins. Me don't know, you seem like say yo Jamaica people are gonna start what with knife and buckler. We don't know, you even buckler want them for what with because I gonna stop up your man them same way, you know. But like because come like the man them, yo, John no star. When a gunman a kill yo over 20 had suicide since the year start. Murder suicide in Jamaica. We look small and tell our country done there. Eh? Channel my people, my viewers and subscribers, as soon as I get more information on this topic, I don't know, so we have a next video coming. So the people is just terrible and it's just sad, and this is just a breaking news. You understand? This happened just after 7 a.m. in the morning, as I tell you, in a Walton Park. So my people out there, please stay blessed, please stay safe, and please be careful of the ones who you choose to give your heart to. Ladies, gentlemen, everybody, be careful. Attack. New links to that. Blessings.